welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I've been doing my like introductions with no makeup on, and then we just like go through the video. It's almost like a secret, like it's a little like surprise what the makeup's gonna look like. Well, not really, because it's probably in the cover photo. So I have the brand spanking new MAC Patrick Starrr fall collection in front of me right now. Here it is. Here it is. Well, here's the information paper. So MAC and Patrick Starrr sent me over one of the palettes and one of the lipsticks. So I'm going to be swatching that for you guys today and playing around with it, doing a tutorial with it. I'm also, just so that you kind of can figure out which one you want to purchase if you're going to purchase this, I'm going to find some pictures and other photos from the other pieces of the collection that I don't have. But there's only 2 pieces to this collection. There are 2 little packages with an eyeshadow palette and a liquid lipstick. I got the box right here. Let's get into it. So I just want to first say that this packaging is so cute. Like, so cute. It's so fall, and I am just, it's very cute. So here we are. Here we are. Here we are. It's getting me in the fall vibes, that's for sure. So this is what they came out with for the fall. There are 2 of these. They call it like Destination Diva, I guess the collection is called. So it kind of looks like a little suitcase. So the collection that I have is called Oh No, She Betta Don't. I think the biggest difference between the 2 palettes that I'm seeing is that one has like a more reddish shadow in it, and this one that I have has more green. Oh, and they include a cute little face chart. How cute! So when I take it out of the packaging, you have the eyeshadow palette, which looks almost just like the box. And this eyeshadow palette is called Sugar Mama. And it's got 4 eyeshadows in it. It has Sugar Stick, Deception, Damn She Olive, and First Class. Never heard of any of these shadows before, so I am assuming that they are all brand spanking new. We then have a liquid or retro matte lip color, and this one is in the color Ultimate Diva. Also, I believe brand spanking new. So with that being said, you guys, we're gonna jump into this. I'm gonna do a whole tutorial for you guys using this palette and this lip color, kind of show you how I would create a look with it. And that's it, let's get into it. So I'm gonna be starting off with this guy. Always start off with the transition color. And I'm gonna take the dark shadow to the outer crease or outer corner. I'm gonna use some of my Tarte Shape Tape to cut just the front half of the crease. And then I really love this green right here, so I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. Seriously, look at how stunning that is. So I popped on some lashes, and now we're gonna move on to our face. Let's do it. final look. What do you guys think? I didn't really use this shadow right here. I actually, you know what? While we're here, when I swatched it on my hand, it was a little crumbly, but I'm gonna use it right here. So that's it for this makeup look and swatch video, review test, tutorial on these guys from the new Patrick Starrr MAC Fall Collection. It's called Destination Diva. I really love the green that is in here. It is so beautiful, so just fall, and I really love the colors in this collection. Just seeing them and playing around with at least one of the palettes and one of the colors. This lip color is stunning, so I'm very happy with this collection. I think this is probably my second fave out of all the collections that have come out with Patrick Starrr and MAC, so I'm really impressed. This is beautiful. Thank you to MAC for sending this over to me so that I could share it with you guys. That's really all I got for you guys. This is the makeup. Let me know in the comments below if you guys plan on purchasing one of the fall collections for yourself or both. I believe they retail for $20. On my information sheet, it says that one of them retails for $18, the other is like $22, which doesn't make sense to me because they're basically the exact same. So I'll do a little more research on that, but they're probably gonna be around that range. I won't even say that that sounds wrong too, because this liquid lipstick usually goes for $20 and a palette is like $30, $40. It was too good to be true. This collection comes out September 6th. It will be available online and at all local MAC stores. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are gonna get your hands on this collection. If you like this collection, what are your thoughts on it? Thank you again so much for tuning in and watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. See you in the next one.